In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CDK Global platform as a complete beginner, step by step. Here's what you can expect from this video. First, we'll look at the core industries CDK serves, including traditional auto lots, heavy trucking, and direct manufacturer connections. Next, we'll dive into the main platform architecture, looking closely at the vital foundations and fundamental suites that run the back office. After that, we'll look at critical integrated solutions like finance and insurance, CRM tracking and payment processing so you can see how things work. And finally, I'll show you how to find the official corporate directories and support resources that can save you a ton of time if you ever get stuck. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, click on Who We Serve and select Auto Dealerships. This is their absolute bread and butter. CDK provides a comprehensive dealer management system, commonly known as a DMS. This powerful enterprise software functions as the central nervous system for retail automotive environments. It completely connects the sales showroom floor, the back accounting office, and the service bays together for maximum efficiency. But they do not just do cars. Click on Heavy Truck. Commercial trucking dealerships have completely different daily operational needs compared to light consumer vehicle stores. They must manage massive commercial components inventories, track heavy equipment tracking details, coordinate fleet maintenance schedules, and organize specialized service bays built for massive rigs. CDK builds custom software for these unique workflows. Next, look at the OEM tab. OEM means original equipment manufacturer, like Ford, General Motors, or Toyota. CDK software directly bridges the local franchise dealership and the corporate manufacturing factories. This complex data integration ensures that vehicle warranties, parts orders, and critical safety recalls are synced in real time. Let us move to the core software. Click Platform at the top. This brings us to the Dealership Experience Platform. It is the official brand name for all integrated software suites within their modern cloud ecosystem. It provides one unified, streamlined interface for the entire store, allowing multiple departments to access their necessary tools easily without opening separate legacy programs. Scroll down to the Foundation Suite. This is the absolute core of the entire software environment. If you work in the busy accounting office, manage corporate payroll, or handle vehicle title processing, this is where you live every day. It tracks every single dollar that enters the business and automatically keeps the general ledger perfectly balanced across all active accounts, without tedious manual spreadsheet entries. Let us look at the Fundamentals suite. Not every single dealership is a massive enterprise with dozens of franchise locations scattered across the country. If you work at a smaller 1 to 2 store franchise or an independent used car lot, this specific suite is built for you. Next is the Modern Retail Suite. This is for the fast-paced sales floor. It includes their famous LED CRM system and digital retailing tools designed to streamline operations and close deals faster. It meticulously tracks potential customers from their very first online click on your website, all the way to the final finance signature desk inside the physical showroom environment, maximizing overall efficiency. Next is the Vehicle Inventory Suite. Used car managers pay close attention to this page. This AI-powered tool pulls live retail market data from across the country to help you accurately appraise trade-ins on the fly. It even uses advanced predictive analytics to forecast exactly what a car will be worth 30 to 90 days from now to protect your dealership's profit margins against sudden market drops and shifts. Moving on to the Fixed Operations Suite. In this industry, fixed ops means parts and service departments. This suite completely digitizes the entire shop floor workflow. Technicians use rugged mobile tablets to perform multi-point inspections. Parts managers track inventory levels instantly, and service advisors text accurate repair quotes directly to a customer's personal smartphone. Scroll down to the Intelligence Suite. Dealerships create massive amounts of operational data every single day. This suite uses advanced artificial intelligence to help the general manager make smart executive choices, track departmental performance metrics, and accurately price pre-owned vehicle stock based on shifting consumer demand trends in your specific local market area, maximizing long-term profitability. Next up is finance and insurance, or F&I. Once a customer agrees to buy a specific car, this specialized system takes over the entire deal structure. It securely connects the dealership to multiple automotive banks to get competitive loan approvals in seconds, and completely digitizes all those massive legal contracts, so you can sign everything efficiently on a digital touchscreen tablet without compliance risk. Look at network and communication services. CDK isn't just standard software, they handle the physical networking technology and infrastructure too. This covers the dealership's secure corporate Wi-Fi networks, cloud routing infrastructures, and unified phone systems. If a sales call drops, profitable deals are lost, so having enterprise-grade telecom stability is an absolute must for long-term retail success. Moving on to digital retail. Buyers today want to do heavy lifting directly from their comfortable couch at home. This tool lets a customer calculate their exact monthly lease or finance payments, value their current trade-in vehicle, and start the formal credit application entirely online, successfully cutting hours out of the traditional in-store sales process, building massive consumer trust easily. Let's check out the Core Dealer Management System, or DMS. Think of this as the dealership's central brain. It makes sure that when a car is officially sold out front by a salesperson, the accounting ledger in the back office is instantly updated, and the service drive team automatically knows that specific exact car is now off the lot and ready for delivery preparation, eliminating administrative errors. Down to the intelligence section. Running a modern, tech-driven dealership means relying heavily on real-time data metrics and reports. This suite gives general managers clear analytics and custom operational reports, showing exactly which vehicles are selling fastest and which specific salespeople are hitting or exceeding their monthly sales targets consistently, allowing for highly optimized management daily. Next is Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. This is where modern salespeople live throughout their entire shift. It automatically logs every single incoming and outgoing email, text message, and phone call with a customer. It ensures no hot lead ever falls through the cracks and systematically reminds the staff exactly when it is time to follow up with a buyer. Finally, let's look at payment solutions. Whether a customer is paying for a major engine repair service or putting down a non-refundable deposit on a brand new truck, this integrates digital payments directly into the DMS database. Now, scroll down to the main footer directory. Here you'll find direct phone numbers for corporate, support, and sales, plus their official social media links. You can also click the Sign Me Up button to subscribe to their newsletter for the latest industry trends. And there you have a complete, step-by-step overview of how CDK Global works. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.